Hey everyone, Samantha here. Glotions are the new beauty product that's getting everyone excited. It's all about adding luminizing properties to your skincare to give you that lit from within complexion. Today, I'll be showing you some of the best products you can use to achieve that glow. Let's get started. It's always good to start with moisturized skin. If you have more mature skin, the Vichy Neovadiol Rose Platinum Cream is an especially great product to use for a healthy glow. The formula has rosy mineral pigments balanced with mother of pearl to revive dull, pale-looking skin and add radiance. This cream is recommended for those 60 and older, so if you don't fall into that group, feel free to use your favorite daily moisturizer instead. First, we want to start off with a good primer that will give us a glowing base. I'll be using the Shiseido Glow Enhancing Primer. This primer transforms the skin into an ideal surface for diffusing light, giving it a natural brightness. Next, I'll be adding some extra glow to my foundation. Here, I'm using the Shiseido Radiant Lifting Foundation in Natural Light Ivory. I'll be mixing in the L'Oreal True Match Lumi Glotion Natural Glow Enhancer in Light Glow before applying it to my skin. This foundation from Shiseido has innovative light technology that provides a highly lustrous finish. Adding the glow enhancer creates an even more luminous effect and gives you a healthier, brighter complexion. Now that I have a natural glowing base, I'll be adding some dimension using the L'Oreal True Match Lumi Glow Nude Highlighter Palette in Moonkissed. You can use any of the 4 universally flattering shades to create a multi-dimensional sculpted look. I'll be applying Venus to the apples of my cheeks, then Twilight to contour my face, and lastly Moon to highlight my brow bone and the bridge of my nose. For an extra luminous finish, I'll be using the L'Oreal True Match Lumi Glow Amore Glow Boosting Drops in Daybreak. I'll be dabbing it along my cheekbones with my finger to give them a brilliant sheen. Like we did with the Glotion, these gorgeous drops could also be added to your foundation. To finish off this look, I'll also be giving my lips a glow boost. The Biotherm Aquasource Plump and Glow Lip Balm hydrates and plumps the lips, giving them a fresh and naturally rosy tint. The balm activates microcirculations to plump the lips, with a cooling, sparkling sensation created by mint leaf. Your lips look fuller and healthier in just one swipe. And there you have it, a beautiful, luminous glow that you can easily incorporate into any beauty routine. You can find all the products I used today at londondrugs.com. My name is Samantha. I'm a beauty advisor at London Drugs. Make sure you give this video a thumbs up, subscribe to our channel, and we'll see you next time.